Is your Silverado's tire pressure light on? This section explains how to diagnose and fix TPMS problems. Common issues include dead sensor batteries, sensor damage from road debris, or the need to relearn the system after tire changes. We'll cover the difference between a TPMS relearn, which reestablishes communication with existing sensors, and reprogramming, which enters new sensor IDs after replacement. First, check for recalls on your Silverado's VIN at ensa.gov, as faulty sensors were recalled on some 2022-2024 models. Neglecting TPMS warnings can lead to accidents. For TPMS relearn, when sensors are original and working, drive your Silverado over 25 miles per hour in a figure-8 pattern until the warning light turns off. Alternatively, use a TPMS reset tool available online. For reprogramming after replacing sensors, start by parking the vehicle. Next, connect a TPMS tool to the OBD2 port. Then activate each new sensor following the tool's instructions. Finally, drive the vehicle to confirm the system is working. Some newer Silverados allow over-the-air reprogramming via the My Chevrolet app. Remember, proper relearning is crucial to avoid false alerts.